So whenever you're using Microsoft Edge, you've done your job and you close it. You think Microsoft Edge is closed and it's not running on your PC anymore. It's running on the background using the same process and same RAM and slowing down your PC. So if I just click on my Task Manager, go to the Task Manager, right click on it, and you can see in the processes here, the Microsoft Edge running lots of services on the background and it's eating like lots of RAM on your PC. So what you do, just simply right click on it and end task. But what if I told you this will also not work for you because Microsoft Edge is still running on the background. So to permanently end this, just go to the Microsoft Edge again, open your Microsoft Edge, go to the right corner of the three dot menu, go down and tap on settings, open settings, then go to the left corner, click on system and performance, go to the background mode, and here you can see there are two main culprits here, which is startup boost and continue running background extension and apps when Edge is closed. You need to turn off these two settings right now, which will Microsoft Edge stop continue running in the background and stop Open Edge faster when you start your device. Now just close your Microsoft Edge. Here's another thing you need to do is right click on the taskbar, open the Task Manager, then go to the Startup Apps. And if you find Microsoft Edge here in this list, you just need to right click on it and disable it because this will also turn off whenever you open your PC, automatically turn on and running on the background. So we just turned off the Startup Boost. That's why there's this on the list. But if you have this on the list like Microsoft Edge is here, just disable it. So that's it guys. This is the video that I want to share with you. This is how you can stop running the Microsoft Edge on the background permanently. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe and thank you for watching.